cold where the roses bloom sharp. Concrete jungle, petals hide in the dark. Hustle on the corner, dreams in the mist. Bloom streets talk, they don't miss. Sunrise hits gold, but the grind stays gray. Where the hope runs thin, but the heart don't sway. City of roses, thorns in my hand. Bloemfontein skies, tryna understand. City of roses, dreams never land. 05 my home, built from the sand. Grew up where the air smells of dust and rain. Roses bloom red, masking the pain. Skirt past the steeples, blessings and sin. Here we pray hard, but the streets still win. From Naval Hill Heights to the Mangong Lows, roots run deep, every thorn still shows. Brick by brick, story stack high. City of roses under bruised blue sky. Each petal's a promise, each thorn's a fight. Blooms in my blood, day and night. City of roses, blooms in my hand. Bloemfontein skies, tryna understand. City of roses, dreams never land. 05 my home, built from the sand.